Hi everyone, and welcome back to If It Ain't Cheap, I'm Not Buying It. Today is a Saturday edition. I went out to a couple stores and I found four fabulous finds this weekend, and just wanted to show them to you just in case you're looking for some type of these items. And we're going to start from Aldi's. I found this fabulous Princess Tiana, and she is called the Disney Princess Comfy Squad. And as you can see, it looks like she has some slippers down in here. This may be like a tablet she's holding, and she's dressed in her signature green the gown that she wore in the movie. And she has her hair out. I thought this was so adorable. And these were $9.99. They had all different types, but I thought this was cute to pick up for our collection. And these are the other ones that they had with the set, but I only got this one. So this was a great find over the weekend for $10. Next, I went over to Walmart because every pay I've been trying to collect all the old-fashioned games that I used to play with as a child, and these games can get really pricey. This one was, I believe, $13.97, almost $14. And if y'all are from the era of the 60s, 70s, and 80s, we played the operation game where we were operating on the guy, and the nose is still the same. If you don't pull out like the bone and you touch the sides, his nose will light up, and then it's the next person's turn. So I thought this was going to be cute for the kids to play, and just to show them what I used to play with as a kid. So I found this. I didn't show you the other ones, but so far I've gotten Connect 4 and a couple other games, but y'all see that when the kids go to open up their gifts when I do a Christmas opening. So I got this for the kids. Next, I went over to Roses. I always tell y'all about Roses. I didn't really see a lot over there at that store. This little buzz. But I found these Tranquility Men's Collection with memory foam slippers, and they were $7.99. We have hardwood floors here, so I thought this would be really nice, for one of the guys. So I got that. And then lastly, I went to the ABC store, and I found these little miniature, different flavor drinks, and these are for my husband. I think he will enjoy flavoring these on his winter recess from work. I'll let you know. I'll ask them how they taste, just in case you're interested. They may be sold out by the time I do the next video. So that is the only little four things that I picked up. That was enough. Now I'm just, buying extra gifts, for the kids. So come on and help me get this all wrapped up. And we're going to start with the Tatiana doll. And I think I'm going to do her. I found some more ethnic Santa Claus paper wrap. So we're going to do her in this one. And this is going to be like a chit chat video as well. I just love Christmas. It just brings out all types of feelings. People that are not here anymore with you, and you see the joy on, you know, your grandkids' faces, your kids' faces when they wake up in the morning. These scissors are really dull. Wrapped, and I found these little reindeer stockings. It has a Santa Claus, another Santa Claus with like a snowman, and another reindeer, and another snowman. So I'm gonna add that on there. And then when the kids get here, I'm going to let them write their name on there with some glitter. And then and put the year probably right here. And then they'll always have these on my Christmas tree. So I'm going to add that. And then I have some fabulous wrap from the Dollar Tree. And I'm not good at making bows, but we're going to try to get this bow made. So I'm just gonna use that, I guess, as, I don't know, try to form it. Cut another one. Alright, so I am back trying to figure out how to get this open. I got it open. It was kind of dangerous for a while. I made it work. And then I can just maybe fill this up with some candy for the kids. And I don't know, but I am going to keep this. This is cute. So this is what they look like after getting them out the package. This one is the apple pie flavor. And let's see what this one. I can't see what it is. Once I get it videoed, maybe I can read it. Sipping on something. And I'm gonna have, once he indulge in these, I'm gonna have him keep the bottles, because I can reuse these bottles for something in the kitchen. These were so cute. Alright, so I have like my old contact box, and I thought that would be a better presentation. So I'm just going to put some wrapping paper down in here. So I noticed while filming, my camera was not lit up, and I missed a whole segment. So as I was saying, we got that wrapped, this one wrapped, connect the operation game, and the other box. So the 4 stores that I went to for the doll was Aldi's, the game from Walmart, this was from the ABC store, and from Rose's. So I'm hoping that you're able to get out, and if you're interested in these type of items, to be able to find them. And like I always say, child, if it ain't cheap, I'm not buying it. Y'all stay blessed and happy holidays, and I will see y'all in another video. And real quick, I will be going on Christmas hiatus to the first of the year. My grandkids will be coming, and during that week I will be filming, but I won't be probably uploading until the 1st of January. So that's just FYI. Feel free to watch any of my previous videos. Make sure to give them a thumbs up, a likes, and if you don't mind, leave me a lovely comment. Let me know you stopped by. I appreciate it. Bye-bye.